two of them are. These two are down.
What's up, guys? We have several different fidget spinners. Alright, the first one we have is this one here that looks kind of like a little controller. It's got the A-B, I believe, for like an Xbox, and then circle, square for like a PlayStation. And it's got the little D-pad here on this side to make it look like that. And it's got these buttons on the side here that you can push on them, these little balls. And on the side, you can have these other little fidget that you can spin on it. And this one actually does spin pretty good. It's got a pretty good spin. It lasts a pretty long time when you spin this bad boy here. So this one's actually a pretty good spinner. The other one that we have is we have this wheel right here. This one's the one that outlasts all the other ones as far as it's spinning, and just a wheel with some shapes on the inside of it. And this one does last a very long time when you spin this bad boy. And then the other ones, all these other ones are just your basic ones. These are just your basic other spinners here. We just have some different color ones. Some of these, they actually do glow in the dark. These 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 glow in the dark. And then these are just other ones that are just other basic ones. This one here is called the Halo. Alright, this one doesn't last very long. It's got a very bad spin on it.
Look at this one.
But this one's got the LED lights, which is actually pretty cool on it.
Yep.
See? And this one's got different modes of the lights. So you got the solid lights. Then you have the ones that spin a little faster or blink a little faster. It makes it look a lot different. Right, and it's got the third mode, which is it blinks a lot slower. Alright, so we're gonna kill the lights.
Oh, don't kill him! Don't kill it!
We're gonna kill them. The ones that glow a lot better is the white one, of course, because it's got a better brightness to it. These other ones, because they're darker, they don't glow as much. Here's the Halo.
Halo?
Look at that. Pretty cool. Like I said, the spinning on it is not very good, but the lights are pretty awesome.
That's cool. Oh, it's cool how you can do it again.
Alright, so that is the Halo fidget spinner.
White,
I'll show you what
blue.
this one looks like when it's spin.
You're like, let me show you how to
How this breaks. Alright, we're gonna play a little game here, a little challenge.
What is it?
We're gonna see who's gonna be able to stack the most fidget spinners
Yes.
at once. So let's set it up. So Damian is gonna go first.
Yes.
He's gonna try to see how many fidget spinners he can stack at once. Are you ready, Damian?
Yes.
1,
2,
2,
3, 4,
4,
5,
5,
6.
6.
Some more. Oh, what is it?
That's going crooked. It's going crooked. Seven.
8.
Because I fell on the 8th one.
Okay, my turn.
Alright, Deion. Are you ready, Deion, to try this challenge?
So Damon got 7?
Damian got 7.
Okay.
Go. 1. Slowly.
Oh, okay.
1.
1.
1. His hands are too small.
There you go.
You can only do 1. I lean back. I lean back.
I moved the
Are you ready?
table.
Alright, here we go. Got 1.
2, 3. Stop moving the table. You're gonna make it complete. 4.
Oh!
6. 4. 6. 1. 6.
Is it around? You beat your last score though, you got 8.
Does it count as 3 or just 2? It counts 2. It is? That's 2.
Did you have, David?
7. 4. 4. Oh, the green one there is laying down. Oh my god! One more!
I can't see this one. So this time we're gonna have a little fidget spinner battle. Deion's gonna spin one, Damian's gonna spin one, and then they're gonna toss them at each other and continue to do it to see which one stops first.
Which one?
Which one? Cool. And you like some Cool Whip?
Ooh, let me have some of that Cool Whip. What'd you say? You can't have a pie without Cool Whip. Cool Whip?
Alright. So whichever one stops first is gonna lose. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Start spinning it. First toss. And go. Alright, do it again. Go. Oh, they both stopped. Next battle. First one was a tie. Alright, ready? Go.
Oh, I stopped
You stopped yours. You lose your first one. Are you ready?
Yeah.
And toss. Alright, oh, get it. And toss. Oh, hold on. Don't touch it.
Okay.
Hold on, don't touch it, Deion. Damian.
Mom, do it fast again.
Hold on. Let's see which one stops first. No blowing it.
I'm not blowing it.
Hold on.
He's blowing it. Okay, let me blow it.
You blew it. Alright, but I think Damian just...
Go, he's still going.
Deion wins.
Yes.
Alright, are you ready?
Yeah.
Set. Go. Hold on, we're just still standing. Hold on.
I won it.
That one lost a piece. And the white one won. So Damian won the doubles fidget fight.
These two are so good.
Deion lost one of the bearings.
One of them flew to my butt and
Let's see.
like, give me.
We're going to try to see who can be the fastest at spinning all of them. Got a stopwatch going on. Go.
No.
7.71. Alright. Go. Come on, you're taking too long.
At least it's doing it.
Taking too long. Come on. 13 seconds.
I win. 13 seconds.
No, you went like twice as long than Damian.
Go.
I already slowed down right there. I had him crash.
11, 16.
Go.
No.
6. 671.
The same thing, but I got.
Go. Come on, you gotta be faster. Come on, faster than that. You gotta be faster. 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 You're too slow. Faster. Faster. Come on. One more. Hurry. Hurry.
You got
1338.
You beat his score.
So you beat it by like a few tenths of a second.
How many people have scored? Go.
Oh, 77.
Let us show you what fidget. Let us show you what fidget spinners are good for. It's good for shaving. Ah! It's good for picking your nose. Ah! Ah! It's good for combing your hair. Ah! It's good for brushing your teeth. Ah! They make great earrings. Ah! Ah! They're good for hitting your brothers. Ah! Ah! They make great glasses.
That was all fake blood done with an effect. Do not actually try this at home, please. Hope we didn't scare anyone.
Thank you for watching. This was us playing with fidget spinners. Be sure to subscribe, comment, follow us on Instagram.
Damian, which one was your favorite fidget spinner?
My favorite one was the wheel.
The wheel. Deion, which one was your favorite one?
This one.
Why that one?
Because I like black colors.
You like all the colors?
Yes.
My favorite one was the one that looks like a remote control here because it spins very good. The Halo one's pretty good too. When you turn off the lights, it's got some nice colors on it. All right, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time. Bye. Let's kill the lights. Let's see which ones are glowing still.
I think the Halo one. Wait, which one is this one? Oh, this is the white.
Probably the white one.
Halo.
The Halo one, and then the other ones that are barely glowing.
Hey, purple. That's purple. Is it? Don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, be sure to check out some of our other videos.
We have lots of videos that you guys can check out, but also be sure to subscribe, right?
Yeah.
Cool.